Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Epic Voices in 11 Labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the 11 Labs website and choose the voices section. Now you will see three options here: my voices, library, and collections. I want you to choose the collections option, and this will bring you to a page similar to this. Now you can scroll and choose these Epic Voices. These Epic Voices would bring us to a page where we can select or a voice that will be similar to what we need for our Epic Voice production. So once on the page, we would see a page like this, and so we can select and sample any of the voices here. So this is Carl.
I failed over and over.
So this is David.
In a world where AI voices sound like robots.
This is very nice.
Oh, that's so clever.
So if you're running a project, a film project, or a movie project, and you need all of these epic voices, even for your trailers, you can use any of these voices, and they're just top notch. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below, and do have a great day.